what is the rule? Which auxiliary is fronted? Maybe you hypothesized move the first verb? No. Damn. So I was trying to record my lecture, but then PowerPoint started going really weird on me again. So now I'm just recording the really weird things that PowerPoint is doing. So this slide that looks like a blank pink slide, actually in the file has text on it, and you can see that on the side, and it's supposed to say humans are built for language. And this happens when I'm in presenter mode. And you can see if I click on the next slide that all of my text has disappeared. And all of my presenter notes have disappeared. Now watch this, watch my mouse. So see how at the top most of my menu items are gone? Isn't that exciting? So if I take my mouse and I put it right up there where it says Acrobat, it is going to disappear. Special magic trick. Okay, watch this. Whoa! Isn't that fun? Okay, and then I can make help disappear. Oh, good that I don't need any help right now. Yeah, so I can basically gradually make all of PowerPoint essentially disappear. There goes the share button, there goes the comments button. Isn't this fun? Okay, so this is what is happening every time I try to start presenting something in PowerPoint. I get a few slides in, I'm all ready to record, got everything set up, and then everything in my presentation just starts to disappear. So that's really fun. Okay, so I'm just going to be holding this space for a while today as I figure out how to do all these recorded lectures that I'm supposed to be doing in PowerPoint. It's super fun.